What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my next YouTube video. In this video we're going to be talking about Xpeng. I haven't done this in quite some time. We're going to be talking about what it's been doing and how it's actually not been doing a whole lot since we last covered it. Now before we get into this video, I'd like to remind you, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for being here. Let's get right into the video. So the last time I looked at Xpeng, I think we were still underneath the support area at 4806. So pretty much since, when was this? The beginning of February, we haven't done a whole lot of anything. We've just been pushing up to resistance, coming back down, pushing up. Here I thought we were good. Then we came right back down and we've just been slowly bleeding off. So if you've been watching Xpeng the last week and a half, really, it's been doing a whole lot of nothing. And I know it's frustrating. I know it's very frustrating. But we're going to break it down. We're going to really go into detail of what it's been doing. So right when I see Xpeng and what it's doing right now, a level comes to my mind that I'm on the lookout for and I don't want it to break. So we're going to draw that level. It's this level right here. So right at, let's fine tune this one, right at 45.84. Notice how many times we pushed down to this area and we shot right back up. We did it here. Buyers came in, buyers came in, buyers came in. And over here on Friday as well. So we know that this 45.84 area is an area that we need to stay above. Every time we've hit in that area right there, what happened? Buyers came in and we were bought right back up. Now Friday, that was a little different. We fell down and then we kind of tried to recover. So we were only down 24 cents. So nothing huge on Friday. It was just a normal Friday. Yes, I know NEO was down as well. So we were down pretty much across the whole board with the Chinese EV stocks. Now going into the session Tuesday, because Monday's closed. Tuesday, what do we need to see happen? Well, definitely, I don't want this level to break. This green level right here, if you need to go ahead on your chart, mark it. 45.84 is that number. Mark that on your chart, and you need to pay attention to that number Tuesday. Because if we break that, then we're heading back down to this second line right here at 43.53. And that's going to be quite the drop. We're going to see quite the drop if we do break this. So this is our momentarily support line that we need to pay attention to. So let's say Tuesday, for the sake of the video, that we're good. We're holding above it. The level that we need to get above is still this 48.06 area. I mean, look how much trouble we've had around this area. Like I mentioned in the beginning part of this video, ever since February, the beginning of February, we've seen nothing but sellers at this level. So we know pushing up to this level, we're definitely going to have some buyers here. And we've been pretty much on low volume the last couple of days as well. So there's not a lot of action that's happened around Xpeng. But we know when we push back up to that 48.06 area, definitely we need to be met with buyers. Buyers need to come in and there needs to be enough of them to not get rejection. Actually, here in earlier parts of this week, I thought we were golden. I thought we were good because we were pushing all the way up to what? $51. And I was like, good. Xpeng reversal is happening. But then the end part of the day, the rest of the day, we just shot down and just sold off. So that was shocking to me as well, to break through that 48.06 level again and fall right past through it. So we know that that 48.06 level is something that's of interest and needs to hold above. So once we get above that, then we can have the conversation of us heading back to these levels here around this 51 level. Needs to get above 48.06 first. That's the number you also need to put on your chart. So right now we're basically in this consolidation horizontal range. We're not doing a whole lot of anything. Now if you scroll out, you can see where we reversed here, pushed up, pulled back, and now either we're cooling off for another leg down or we're just cooling off to push back up. Now that's the ideal scenario. That's what you want to see coming out of Xpeng if you're long on Xpeng. So if you're long on Xpeng, which I know all of you are that are watching this video, we need to do this right here. So this needs to be the consolidation period where we start reversing again. So we need to start heading back up and then we can start heading and back up to all-time highs. Now this is going to take a while, I think. The road's not going to be easy ahead of us, guys. We still got a long ways to go, but we got to take this baby steps at a time. The first level, to sum it up, getting above 48.06. Once we get above 48.06, then we can talk about this level right here at $51. But we first have to get above this. If we don't get above this, then obviously the plan is no longer validated. Now, bearish case, we break below this 45.84 area, and then we head back down to this area at 43.44. Now, I'm not saying we will, but it's a possibility that we have to consider if we break that green line. It's a possibility. That's where we found buyers before. So definitely, if we do fall below this green line, you want this level to hold. You definitely want this 43, 44 level to hold. If not, then we still have some more momentum to the downside, possibly even $40. I don't want to talk about that, but we have to bring that up. That would be humongous if we did fall that much. Keep in mind though, we do have earnings coming up March 8th. I know that's probably about a month away, a little less than a month away, three and a half weeks. But we still have to keep that in mind because we may see an earnings run up. There's a possibility we may see a pre-earnings run up, and if we do, then if I was in my position, depending on how much we ran up, I'd consider shaving some of it off. So let's say, next week, the following week, where it's just green, we start heading back up to this. If we get up past this 56 range, like we did over here, I would consider selling some of my position. That's just me personally. That's what I would do. But the reason why is because if we have that pre-earnings run up, what happens after earnings? This happens. We just see this boom sell off. So this was a pre-earnings run up, and we had the sell off. So we possibly could see that action here. I'm not saying we will, but keep that in mind. Overall though, still like Xpeng, and the uptrend right here, this reversal still intact. But we need to watch out for this consolidation right here. Consolidation is good though, guys, if we can consolidate and push up. So that's why consolidation is good, or this could just be a breather in the overall back downtrend. If you're long on Xpeng, you don't want to see that. Either way, thank you for watching this video. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the like button, comment, subscribe, do all of that. Appreciate all of the support, and I'll see you all in the next video.